Hey beauties, so today I'm going to be doing a haul video for you guys. I just love hauls. I love watching them and I just enjoy them, and I hope you guys enjoy them too. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into the video. So I did go online shopping on Forever 21's website. I have a love-hate relationship with them, but because of their quality, like their quality is not really good, everyone knows that, but I like their stuff because it's like really trendy fashion. Like I love that about Forever 21. But anyway, so the first item that I got is this cute jean jacket. It looks like this. I'm all about jean jackets. You will see when I try it on that it is oversized, which I really love because you could just cuff up the sleeves and it just looks really cute. I also love the tie-dye effect to it, the light and then dark on the top, on the bottom. The buttons are silver, and yeah, I got this in a small. It has pockets and it's perfect. I love this. So this is the first item. This is the jacket. This is what it looks like. You could cuff it up and then, or you could leave it down like this. As you can tell, it's really loose fitted, oversized, which I really love. So this is a plus. I wish I can show you the back, but I really can't. So that's that. Jeans, and these are mom fit and they look like this. They go down, the buttons, really pretty. This is the way the back looks. You guys will see when I try it on. I really like that it's loose fitted and it's cropped on the ankles. Really like that. Okay, so I'm so sad because I really like them. I love the buttoning and like it's really cute, but honestly it is not flattering at all on me. I think this would be cute on others, but not on me. They look like that on the bottom. It's kind of big, and then this is what it looks like on me. Literally no butt. So the next item I got is this really pretty black dress. You can never go wrong with black. It has collar, buttons all the way down. You can tie it. It's really cute. The material's not all that, but I can work with that. The little sleeves are really cute as well. It's a very chic, cutesy girly dress, and it looks sophisticated as well, so it's really pretty. I really like this. This was $22.90. So this is what this looks like. It's really cute. Very chic. You can wear this to like a party. It's really cute. I love the button detail. Looks like that. I feel like you can't really see it because the lighting in here sucks. Like, maybe if I turn on the light. There we go. Or not. But yeah, this is the dress. It's really cute. I love the collar. I love how chic it looks. And yeah, it's a cute black dress. Next up, I have this really pretty striped dress. Looks like this. It has ruffles on the bottom, which is really pretty. That's what actually caught my eye. I really like the girly cutesy look. This also has buttons going down, it's actually up to your waist, and then it stops. But the way that you have to put this on is kind of complicated. So the zipper is on the side, and then I had to open the buttons up because my boobs wouldn't fit in there. So yeah, but this is a really cute dress. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because of the way like you have to put it on, but I don't know, I think it's really cute and girly and great for summer. And this was $22.90. So yeah. Okay, so this is the next dress. It's a very cute dress. I really like it, but it honestly took like 10 hours for me to put it on right now, so wow. But yeah, it has a cute tie, ruffles, the collar. It's very, very pretty. I love the stripes. I think I'm gonna keep it. I also got these really cute boots. I've been in love with combat boots, and I fell in love with these when I saw them. They're so cute, simple. I love the detail on it. And then it's just really cute, and I love the platform that it's a little high. I love that. I'm just really into combat boots lately. You can wear them with dresses, with anything, honestly, and they're so cute and trendy. So I also got this cute little fanny pack, and it's with silver. It's just like a pop of color, honestly. I was gonna get black, but then I'm like, let me just get a pop of color so it can look different, you know. I love the fact that it has a lot of room, so you can put more stuff than usual, and it zips. And the way you put this on is belt, pretty much. So you just put it to your waist size. And it is a little loose, but I like that. And yeah. Oh, I forgot one thing. Hold on. I also got... I'm obsessed with scrunchies. I don't know why. I just feel like it's like perfect for like when you have your hair down and then it gets hot or something and you just want to put your hair up or whatever. So I got these cute little scrunchies with the tie on the top. They look like this, and then I just put it on like this whenever I need it, you know, just tie my hair up. They're so cute. I love them. But yeah, that's about it. That's the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe, comment, and like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.